It's one-dimensional. This is one-dimensional. Okay? This is one-dimensional. We're only going to use one of these. Okay? I'm only going to use one of these. So that'll be 9. 9 areas. But this one is in position 10 and 11 and 12. 1, 2, 3 all over. But this one is not the same as the first one. They switch. It's one red, one black. Red, black, red, black, red, black. Number 1 does that on the roulette wheel, and that's with the formation I go. We have 9 areas here, and for some reason they never show us 9 here. Here we have 6. If I put another line, okay, I'll have 8. I won't have 9. In this one I'll have 9. Although there's one that connects to all. It's only if I put this on here and go all the way around and put my star key, I have my exo into life. The cat in the house, the division of 6 and 8, and let's go on in the 11th position. That 0 is in the 11th position. And in roulette, okay, you're going to have 12 of these. But the minute you get to the first 15 and the last 15, these here are reflection of each other. It's 18 and 18, but I go 15 is 6, and then 15 is 6. And then you got the row over here of 15, 16, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 is another area of 6, 6, 6. And that center 6 is what connects the top to the bottom. Now, do we go 12 and 12, a reflective board completely? Should we just use a total of 1 board? How many boards of roulette should we use of 36 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember the equation. What is 6? Where should we go at 6? What is the highest number? Is the highest number actually 6 because 1 and 1 meet again? The first from this side? What if we went 5 and then 6 is actually the first position connected and 1 is the last position? Sorry, 0, and this starting at 5, 0 is the last position. Starting on this board, 1 is the last position and 0 is the last position. So that means they should meet. And when they meet on this lower level, in the video I didn't talk about yet, I just thought of it. If we should meet this at a lower level, right, we would be 5, 0, 4, 9, 4, 8, 4, 7, 4, 6. So this would be 5 and 4 when we're meeting at 0 here. If the 0 is here and we were going backwards, we would be 4, 9, 4, 8, 4, 7, 4, 6, 4, 5. So 4, 6, according to this, how do we figure out where our starting point is? Hold on a second. No, not this one. It's 4, 5 is over here. So when we start at 50, we can go to 45. So the sun passage, okay, and over here we end up at connecting the dark world, okay, Jesus, the birth, Jesus through Uranus. And then we calculate these numbers. We did this in the last video. I hope I don't screw anybody up, and I hope I don't forget, because I really understand that's how those numbers work. So if I work backwards, I'm going to hold them up. If I work backwards here starting at 0, okay, I'll get 9 and 8, 17, 24. Hold on, I started at 0 here. No, I started 9 here. 9 and 5 is 14. 1 and 4 is 5. Here I started at 0. And then did at 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Combination of 5 numbers. Okay, so 0 and 6 would be 6. 9 and 7 would be 16. 1 and 6 would be 7. So we have 6, 7, 8. So in the deck of cards, it shows me this one over here. This one tells me foxhole in the sun. This one tells me the 10 world. This one tells me electric company in the moon. This one over here tells me first and last is 6. First and last. So you end up with 15, 30 inside this one here. This one over here, you end up with 17, 24, 34, 35. You get 30 creation, 35 electric company, creation electric company. This one comes with number 6. Why? Because that 0, you have to have a 0 to get a 6. How can I explain it? you have to go into the other side. You have to, when you're starting on the other side, here you're starting with 1, and how can you start with 1 on the other side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the first one on the other side is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that all zeros equal to 6. You throw a dart into the 5 position, you throw 1 dart into position, 1 dart through the hole, 1 hole in the center, 1 center in the 9 lives of the cat. There's 9 passages, 9 lives, the pound key of the telephone, the 9 numbers. You throw it through the center. It's a center number. It's 1 number. There's a total of 9. It's 1, center of 8, total of 9, 1 in all. Circle around 1. Put the start key on top of it. Your start key is your 8, centered to the 1 core over the totality of the 9 boxes, Raphael 7286 in a constellation of Pegasus. I say it this way because I'm not sure if I got through it all. 4 cats and a 1 is actually Venus. Number to Venus is 81. 80 means 4 20s. Get into there. 20 20 is 20 in French. 80 means 4. And 1. And 1. And 1. O-N-E. Birth in the electronic world. The O world. Thank you for watching this video. House of Paint. Just share the paint. Share the last 10 seconds of the video. You know what I'm saying? Just share the last 10 seconds of the video. There you go.